from HelperTech, and I'm going to talk to you about iPhone rear camera repair. So sometimes the cameras wear out. They either get dropped too many times, or sometimes they get scratched and you see black spots appearing on there, whether from the actual lens breaking and then scratching the camera, or just dust maybe have gotten under there. Sometimes we've had people come in where the camera has started vibrating. You take a picture or you're trying to, and you can just see the whole scene just slowly moving back and forth for no reason. The rear camera is replaceable on all of the iPhones, so if you have any issues you can bring it in. That repair generally only takes about 30 minutes to do. You don't need an appointment, and you can stop at either my Eagan or my Burnsville store for the rear camera repair. They are open Monday through Friday 10 to 6 and Saturday 10 to 3. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575. Otherwise, like I said, no appointment needed. So feel free to stop out whenever it's convenient for you. You guys have a nice night.